to these purple, they plastic. I like my money Jurassic. This pussy pop back elastic. You bitches don't want no static. Catch one of you hoes in traffic. Flip one of you bitches gymnastic. Hit and run is my tatty. Y'all be reaching, I'm grabbing. Wait, nigga, I'm bagging.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you tuning in for the first time, my name is Kristen and here on this channel we discuss everything to do with luxury, beauty and lifestyle. Yes ma'am. If that's something that you love, please like, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to add the little notification button so you can be notified every time that I post a video. Now, for those of you that know me know that I am a handbag collector. I love everything to do with designer handbags in per se. I also love, to dip and dabble a little in ready to wear and fashion. So, I mean, it's by no choice anybody that loves handbags would not want to have this item that I'm about to unbox for you guys. So this is my first Birkin 25. And it's my Birkin 25 in a dream color. I think everybody dreams of a Birkin 25. When I first saw Birkin 25s about, I was actually dreaming of having one of these. And I have put on my wish list numerous times to get one, to score one, and I've never been called for one. And it took me approximately 2 years before I actually was able to score this bag in Hermes, fresh from store. So how did it take so long? I can't tell you. Why did it take so long? Who cares? Point is, I finally have it. So a little backstory. I bought my first Birkin 25 initially, realistically speaking, was my Birkin 25 in the color bamboo with silver hardware. But I bought her on a pre-loved market. So really and truly, that would have been my first Birkin 25. But at the time, I was not really enjoying it because of the fact that, it was a green color. It was hard to mix and mingle, and I wasn't like really my ideal one that I wanted. So I ended up selling it back to acquire money towards my dream Birkin 25. I got a really good deal on it, and I actually got the money that I spent. I actually got extra on top by reselling it when I did. So that worked out for me kind of like a plus win-win situation, which rarely do happen when you buy something on second-hand market and resell it back on the second-hand market. It's something that do rarely happen. So that was my little backstory. Moving forward to now, I would actually consider this to be my first Birkin 25 because it's the one that I actually wanted, and it's the one that I actually kept in my collection and would have in my collection forever because she's not going anywhere. I don't sell my Hermes bags at all. However, that Birkin 25, because it was on from the second-hand market and I wasn't too keen about the color then, which I do regret now, is why I got rid of. So I decided I would never ever sell any of my Hermes pieces, no matter how shit or bad things can get. I will not be selling. I'm not a reseller. I don't resell handbags. It's not my thing. I do sell pieces to make spaces for new pieces. That's my trend pieces. If I do buy a trend piece from Hermes, most likely would be a trend piece that's worth having. So I highly doubt that I would sell that. Most of my collection right now is iconic and pieces versus trend. I've managed to get rid of most of my trend pieces. I still do have a couple of Antigonas, Gucci Marmonts that I'm still in two minds about. But classic pieces like Lady Dior, Gucci Bamboo Handle, some pieces I do still have and I will keep. And I would always try to keep my collection, as iconic as possible, because I think that would be an amazing collection to have. So I've waited about 2 years for this particular bag. I am literally going to do a little unboxing here. Reason being, this bag for me is really a special piece. So here, you guys, for some of you might already know the size. This is my Birkin 25 in the color noir with palladium hardware, silver hardware. Now this baby here is something that I've been dreaming about, either gold or silver, but for some reason the 25 silver hardware for me is a classic item. It's something that I feel that would last in your closet forever, and it's everybody's dream bag. Some people would have loved it with gold and got it with gold, and I'm really happy for them, but I really would have loved to have this baddie in either gold or silver because I love the two of them. I really and truly would have rather gold because I love black with gold, but as I mentioned earlier, something about this baddie with silver hardware that speaks volumes to me. So I never really expected to, you know, down on me that I would actually accept it. I was offered it, I looked at it, it looks soft, where so with the gold it would pop. So I was like, you know what, maybe in future I would always apply for a black gold hardware, and if I do get it, I'll just have both to mix and match with jewelry, which I am not really fussed about the jewelry that I wear, because I would wear my white gold with a gold chain with pearl earrings, and I'm not really I'm not fussed about matching my hardware of my bag with the jewelry that I'm wearing at the time. It's not really a big issue for me, and I love it. I can see here I would insert some pictures with me with this bag. I carry a lot in it. I've managed to carry iPad, work stuff. It's my most used Birkin, I would say. I tend to grab her to any tick of the clock. I tend to grab her, and it's definitely a bag that I could see myself getting a lot of use of. I am going to do a review for you guys of my Birkin 25 and how it works for me. Also, I realized that it is really spacious, so it could hold a lot. For me, it cannot go over my arms because I have quite thick arms, so for it to get here, it doesn't work for me. So I'll do a review video of my Birkin 25 for you guys, and here you can see I have the little clochette that it comes with. Really, really cute. So there you have it, guys, my Birkin. Let me just activate her. There you guys have it, my Birkin 25 in the color noir with palladium hardware. It's the exotic of all exotics. It's the baddies of all baddies, and I love her to bits. So with no further ado, until next time.
I like my money Jurassic. This pussy pop back elastic. You bitches don't want no static. Catch one of you hoes in traffic. Flip one of you bitches gymnastic. Hit and run is my tatty. Y'all be reaching, I'm grabbing. Wait, nigga, I'm bagging.